Good morning everyone, welcome to another room tour here on the World of Coasters. Today you join me and Louise at Hotel Santa Fe. We last came here, I think it was 2019, but we're coming back and we're going to do another room tour. So we're in room number 11, which is Sally. Going to use our magic pass to get into the room and give a full room tour. So let's have a look inside. Right, so as we come in, we shut the door behind us. It's like a motel style Santa Fe, so you have blocks and you're inside a building. We're at the end of a corridor, so at least we don't have anyone on our left, which is good. Room doors are fully lockable like so you can lock them like this, and there's also a privacy button which flashes away like that. It overrides when you pull the switch down. You do need to pop your magic pass into the light switch to let the lights work, otherwise they go off. Speaking of which, you've got the magic passes here, which they've just recently changed, so they're themed to each hotel. This one is Cars themed, and here you can see it's got our name on it. We did the booking for Expedia, so we've got our breakfast included, which is up the top, and this pays for the breakfast each morning. As we go to the right as we come in, you can see the safe and some storage. These safes are very good, we use them quite a lot. Probably won't use it on this day because we're only here for 2 nights. We got up here some important information regarding cots. A little bit of storage if you want to hang some stuff up, and including your do not disturb sign. Speaking of which, if you do need a cot, there it is down there. We just arrived, if you can't tell. Louise is excited to get in the park. Like, let's go into the toilet now. So off to the left, I do love these toilets. They're plain and simple, large areas to get ready, big old sink. They include cups, which again, fully wrapped and themed. And a little soap. Yeah, pretty cool. Lightning soap. Savon. But I do like the lights here. It's really bright, which some hotel toilets can be a bit dingy. They do include a hairdryer here, which they're not the greatest, but it does the job. So if you do forget, you got a themed tissue dispenser here, which is pretty cool. Moving around to the toilet, we're happy because it is a normal toilet, no squareness. Flush is really good on this. Toilet rolls, they include 2 when you enter the room, but you can request more if you need it. The shower, I mean, if you're an adult, you're not going to be showering, bathing in here, you're going to be showering. But in past, these showers are amazing. So they include your soaps there and your shower gels should you need them. Moving back out into the main area of the room, the main chamber, you have a little mirror here with a little desk area so you can sort makeup out, that sort of thing. An area to store your bags. And there are 2 double beds in each room. There's no bunk bed configuration in Hotel Santa Fe. So you get 2 double beds. We'll be using the pillows off of one to make 2, but they don't include any extra pillows in the room. Should we turn that light on? Yeah, where is it? Here. Or is that the fan? That'll be the ceiling fan. Oh, hello. So there's no aircon, but there are ceiling fans. Got some pretty cool artwork of Mater along here, and then if Louise does the honours, she should be able to get the lights on. There we go. So I do like these. These are really cool. It's very well lit in here. It is. This is cool. They used to be quite dingy, if I recall correctly. I do love the theming on the bedding. This like drape sort of thing. The beds are pretty standard. They're relatively comfortable. Do you want to do the sit-down test on the bed, Lou? I already have on that one. It's not as good as our premiering last night. They're a bit soft, are they? Yeah. Looking down here, we have the phone, TV remote. They include a little postcard here. And then in the drawer, they don't include a Bible anymore, so there's none of that. But look, you also get this. I thought this was quite cool. This is really good quality, like information about the hotel. I just think, yeah, that's really nice. That nice keepsake. TV, just a small 32-inch here with a little cone mirror and light, which I really like. Got some drawers here, which are good for if you want to store your clothes while you're here. Like I said, we're only here for 2 nights, so we probably won't use these. Seating over here, little leatherette seat with a heater along here. Now for the climate control of the room, it doesn't let you have specific control like you used to be able to. But you've got the fan, you can open the window if necessary. We're on a ground floor, so we can open the window. Let's just have a look what that's like. So you can open it as wide as that, mind your fingers. And it's not one of the ones that tilt out, but yeah, there's good ventilation in here. A good blackout curtain that pulls across should you need it. Yeah, pretty basic room, but I love being on site. It was a bit of a toss-up for us because we were originally meant to be staying off-site in Hotel Elise. I looked on Expedia a few days before we went, and it was only £60 more to stay on site. So I thought, you know, let's splash out and let's stay on site. We haven't stayed on site since 2019. And we haven't been here in so long. Yeah. So when we're coming back in February, we're going to be staying at Hotel Dream Castle, which we'll do a room tour of. But that'll be off-site with a shuttle bus. It's a partner hotel. But yeah, it's great to be back on site. I do love these rooms. Let's just real quick go through the sockets in this room. They have a reasonable amount. So just to give you an idea, you have your one here. There's one down low, another one over here. It's a bit random. I imagine there used to be a table there. Yeah. There's another one stuffed down here. When it comes to bedside sockets, a little bit scrimpy if I'm not right. There's one under the unit, which is in a really awkward place. Yeah. There's not one over here, which means only one of us will have phone next to the bed, which I suppose is good because when the alarm goes off you get out of bed. But a pretty good level of sockets for a room. I know Sequoia Lodge is being refurbished soon. That used to be really bad, but this was refurbished, I want to say like 2016, 2017. But yeah, I really like the decor. It's all very clean. I have absolutely no complaints about that. So yeah, that's our room tour of the Hotel Santa Fe. Like I say, pretty simple and basic, but does the job. It's a 2-star hotel, but
I mean, this is perfect for us.
It's better than most 3-star hotels.
The location, we want to be close because we've only got the weekend here. So
yes.
Be close.
But yeah, gonna leave it there, guys. We're just super pumped to go to the parks. We haven't been in the park for nearly 2 years. 2022 we last came here. Yeah. So I'm gonna leave it here. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and we'll be sure to get back to you. Hit the like button, hit subscribe. If you love your Disney content, we've got 2 trips planned, including this one, and there'll probably be more throughout the year because we've got our annual passes again now. So yeah, Disney this year. Yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. Like I say, hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one, which will be the Disney vlog. Bye. Bye.